Seventh one, write a Python program to find the longest words. Okay, to longest words. Longest words means, suppose just take out this one, and if you take the new text here, so I want to find the longest word in the given text here. So for that you have to open in read mode. Okay, with open, with statement, open function, new dot text, file name, read mode. Okay, as if, and x is equal to f dot read method. Okay, read method reads complete string and use split method also. Okay, so that it separates. Split method. Okay, see, split method returns separate from space wise. Okay, x is equal to read, so, or you can take any here words you can take it here. Okay, words. Okay, and max is equal to find the length of the words. Okay, length of max function, you can use it here, max of words comma key is equal to length. Okay, so maximum length you will get it here. Okay, for maximum words like key is length. Okay, and use for loop here for word in words, means these words. For one word we have to check it here, if condition, if word is equal to max. Okay, word is equal to this max. Here length of word. Okay, length of each word is equal to, if length of each word is equal to max, just print that word. Okay, print that word if the condition satisfied. That's the largest word. I hope you understand. Okay, first in this line reads the complete string, complete text of this, complete text words of this file, and using split method it separates. Okay, in list format it separates, and we are finding maximum length. Okay, for that words, maximum length of the words, right, and stored in the max value. If you want you can check it, print max here. Okay, and we are repeating for loop here for word in words. Okay, for word in words here. Okay, all words here. If length of word, okay, length of each word equal to this maximum value, then print that word. Simple. See, object oriented. Okay, 16 is a max one here. Okay, maximum of words, key code length. Maximum of words means maximum words it returns here, number it returns. 16, and object oriented is a longest word in the given text, is new text. Okay.